Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the serpentine belt tensioner pulley on Honda Accord 2.2 CTDI. The belt on this car is located on the side of the engine. The tensioner pulley is located underneath the camshaft pulley right there. In order to get access to the tensioner pulley, first we need to remove the serpentine belt. To remove the serpentine belt, we need to turn the tensioner clockwise. This is the tensioner right there that we need to bring clockwise. We put the wrench on the bolt on the tensioner pulley and push it clockwise, and we'll see how it will loosen the belt, and then we can remove it. And that's the belt off. In order to remove the belt completely and then put it back on, first we need to remove the right wheel and the engine under tray. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the engine and the tray is removed, we have access to the serpentine belt here, and now we can remove it. Now that the belt is removed, we can remove the tensioner pulley. We're going to be using a wrench in order to loosen the bolt. We need to loosen it anti-clockwise, and then after loosening it, we're going to remove the bolt by hand. There's not much space to remove the bolt, but you get it eventually. And that's the tensioner pulley out. Next, we're going to install the new tensioner pulley. After we put on the tensioner pulley, we're going to tighten it, and then we're going to install the serpentine belt. In the service manual, I'm going to show you the routing of the serpentine belt. There is two types of routing. It depends on your model. Well, this is for me, the second one is the routing for my engine. This is how the belt goes around the pulleys. And then I'm going to show you the routing for the other type of engine. Next, I'll put the serpentine belt on the engine. We'll put it around all the pulleys, and the last pulley that we're going to put it on, it will be the crankshaft pulley. So here from the top, we're going to put it on the top pulleys, and then I'm going to put the wrench on the tensioner pulley and rotate the tensioner clockwise as much as possible. There will be somebody helping me hold the tensioner while I put the serpentine belt on the bottom pulleys. And that's the belt on. Now we're going to release the tensioner, and job is all done. Here you can see the belt is around all the pulleys the way it has to be. So that means we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.